A few years ago, I didn't think twice about protecting my car's interior. I assumed that sun damage was just a part of owning a vehicle, and I didn't realize why the leather dried out or cracked over time, and I definitely didn't know it could be prevented. I had invested in my car, but I wasn't protecting that investment. Now I know better. With the right products and a little effort, you can restore, protect, and extend the life of your car's interior, keeping it looking sharp, clean, and valuable for years to come. And if you're tired of fading seats, dusty consoles, or leather that feels dry and lifeless, this video is for you. Let me show you exactly how I do it the right way. Hey guys, my name is Evan, and it's my goal to share the skills and tools needed to love your leather, so let's get to it. Step 1. Cleaning. The best product that I've used on the market is called Leather Honey. It's non-toxic, pH balanced, and eco-friendly, let alone that it's gentle yet highly effective. I'll be using their UV protectant spray directly on a microfiber cloth, never directly on the surface, because this gives you control and avoids oversaturation and overspray. Then gently wipe down your leather seats, dashboard, console, door inserts, and steering wheel, basically every surface except your navigation screen. Again, you want to be thorough because this is not just going to remove all that dirt and grime, but it's going to provide a UV protecting barrier to help prevent your leather, vinyl, rubber, and everything that's in your car from deteriorating from the sun over time. This is going to give you a fresh, clean foundation for our next step. And just another quick but important tip is that you want to ensure that you're routinely changing the portion of the cloth you're wiping with so that you're not smearing around or even scratching your car's interior with the dirt that you just took off. I have seen so many people ruin their leather or the delicate portions of their cars because they use a dirty cloth to try to clean. And it may end up clean, but it also has micro scratches that build up over time and look really, really bad. And to be honest, you can't easily get rid of those, so just something to keep in mind. Now that you've cleaned the surface, it's time to nourish it. I'll be using my Leather Honey leather conditioner generously and evenly using a clean lint-free cloth. And just so you guys know, Leather Honey is safe on nearly every interior surface, including leather seats, vinyl trim, leather-wrapped steering wheels, consoles, door inserts, armrests, headrests, etc. Just keep clear of those digital navigation screens and you should be good to go. At first, the surface may feel slightly tacky, and that is completely normal, and it shows that Leather Honey is soaking in, which sets it apart from a lot of other conditioners. For those of you who may be unaware, leather seats unfortunately are heavily processed with pigments and sealants on top, making deep conditioning of the leather itself very challenging. However, conditioning is still crucial because the pigments, coatings, and vinyl surfaces actually benefit from hydration and moisturization. Daily use and constant flexing cause wear over time, so in all reality, regular conditioning helps extend your car interior's life and keeps it looking and functioning at its best. One of the biggest questions I get is how often should you clean and condition your leather? I always say that a good rule of thumb is to clean the inside of your car as often as you clean the outside of it, though it can depend on your environment and amount of use. So I would definitely recommend going no longer than 6 months per application. I've been using Leather Honey pretty regularly now, and honestly, it's become my go-to for keeping leather in great shape. What I really appreciate is that it's safe. It's non-toxic, pH balanced, eco-friendly, and it even meets EPA Safer Choice standards, unlike the other random products online. So I feel really good about putting it on what I own, especially if it's touching my skin, like my armrest or my car seats. If you want to treat your leather right without spending too much, just head over to leatherhoney.com and use my code AVAMIS for 20% off plus free shipping, or buy full price using the Amazon links in the description below. It's an easy way to keep your leather looking great and feeling comfortable. A lot of people try Leather Honey and don't like it because it's sticky right after application, but they never actually read the instructions. Again, just wait 24 hours for it to do its job and then wipe off any excess, and your car interior will look amazing and feel comfortable for years to come. Guys, your car is more than just transportation. It's a symbol that represents your life and one of your biggest investments. The average interior detail job is at least $150 or more, not including tip, but with a little time, care, and the right tools, you can often do it yourself in under an hour. This isn't about making things shiny, it's about preserving the feel, function, and value of your interior using safe, effective methods that last. An ounce of prevention really is worth a pound of cure when it comes to car detailing, and remember that the longer you wait, the harder the job becomes. But a little regular TLC keeps each clean simple and your car looking and feeling new. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit subscribe with the bell icon, like and share the video, and get out there and clean your leather. Guys, it's not just your car that you can transform, it's your everyday shoes, bags, and boots. So watch these videos next, and I'll see you over there. Remember to love your leather.